Hello everyone, my name is Wilson and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can block a website on Windows 11. If you're using Windows 10, don't worry. The same steps can be applied on Windows 10. So without further ado, let's dive in. The website that we are going to block in this tutorial is Facebook, and I'm going to open it in my browser. As you can see, Facebook is running. I'm just going to click here to refresh it. So Facebook is running, so it's not blocked yet. Now let's block it. I'm going to minimize. Now on your computer, click on Start. So if you are running Windows 11, you might see that my start is a little bit different because I'm running a skin on top of Windows 11 because I kind of like more than this one that you might have on Windows 11. But the steps are completely the same. So what we have to do now is click on Start. So once you click on Start, write on your keyboard, write File Explorer. Click on it. Now here we are going to click on C disk. So I'm going to click here because this is where I have my Windows installed. If you have your Windows installed in different disk, click on the disk where you have your Windows installed. In my case, I have mine installed here on C. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to click right here below where I have Windows, and then I'll go looking for System32, which is down here. Double click on it, and then I'm going to click on drivers right here. Then I'm going to click here where I have etc. Double click. Inside this folder we have the file that we are going to modify so that we can block the website, and the file is this one, hosts. As you can see here in my computer, I have two files with the same name, but the file that we're going to use is the first one, which does not have any program associated with it. So in order for us to open this file, what we're going to do is click here on Start again on your keyboard, write Notepad. Then right here you have Notepad icon. To open it, on your mouse, right click it, okay, and then Run as Administrator. If you got a notification saying that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click yes. We are running this as administrator because we are making changes on a system file, which is this one here, okay? Now let's open this file. If you click, hold and drag, it will not work, okay? So what you have to do is click on File, Open, and go straight to this folder here. On this window, click on this PC, then let's go to C drive, Windows. We will follow the same path, okay? System32, right here, drives, etc. Now here you see that I am in the same folder as in this side, but I don't have an icon. So what we are going to do here, right here, where you have text document, click on this small arrow and select all files so that you can see all the files, and then click on hosts, okay, and then we'll click here open. Now we have opened the file. So inside this file, what we're going to do is just give some space here, 2 lines, okay. Now we want to block Facebook in this case. Let's go here to Facebook in the browser. Let's copy Facebook address, okay, copy, minimize. Let's go here and paste it in this file. The next thing to do, let's copy this IP address, copy, let's paste in front of this address, Facebook address, okay, give a space. Now we are going to delete this and delete this, okay. Let's go back here just to show you. As you can see, if I refresh this page, Facebook is working. Let's minimize. Now let's save this file. The file is saved. Let's go back to the browser. Let's click on refresh. You can see now that Facebook is blocked. So if for some reason you decide you want to block YouTube, for example, what you have to do is again copy this same IP address, okay, paste it below, and then write www.youtube.com. Let's come here, save it. Let's open our browser. Let's write here YouTube. As you can see, YouTube is also blocked. I'm going to refresh again just to show you that YouTube is blocked. Sometimes you get this design right here because of the cache information that you already have in this computer. Let's close it and open again, refresh it. You see that you don't have access to YouTube because YouTube is blocked. Let's go to Facebook. And you can see that Facebook is also blocked. If we go back to our file, if we delete and then save it, let's go back to the browser. Here we have Facebook. Let's refresh it. You see that Facebook is now on. Let's go to YouTube. Let me click here. I have YouTube. You can see that YouTube is also on. Well, everyone, this is how you block a website on Windows 11. You can apply the same steps on Windows 10 and you will be able to block any website. So if this video was helpful, don't forget, like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.